Welcome to Aviate. In this video, we are introducing our insulation paper cutting machine, designed for accurate and efficient cutting operations. This machine is mainly used for cutting insulation paper, electrical insulation sheets, and similar materials used in transformers and electrical equipment. The Aviate insulation paper cutting machine provides clean, precise, and uniform cutting, ensuring high-quality output with minimal material wastage. It is built with a strong and stable structure, allowing smooth operation and long-term reliability. The machine is easy to operate and requires low maintenance, making it suitable for both small-scale and large-scale production units. Adjustable cutting length and smooth feeding mechanism help achieve consistent results every time. This machine improves productivity while maintaining safety and operational efficiency. It is widely used in transformer manufacturing, motor winding, electrical insulation processing, and general engineering industries. With Aviate machines, you get precision engineering, dependable performance, and professional support. Thank you for watching. For more details and inquiries, contact Aviate.